There's going to be a pop rivet right here, and this bolt, we're going to remove these two on the left and right side of the motorcycle. Okay, to remove this panel here, actually what you're going to do is you're going to pull this back a little bit right here and then just push forward, and it has these little retaining friction clips right here that'll just pops right out. You want to follow where the mirror connector is. It's right here. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to disconnect this rascal right here. So to do that, you're just going to pull up on this little piece right here, and it's just going to pop right out. There's a little black piece right here that's holding all these wires in place. So you're just going to want to open that up here. There are two nuts here on the left and the right hand side that we'll need to remove in order to get the mirrors off. You can take your light and remove it. I'm on the brake side of the bike here. Okay, if you look right here, you see a small little Phillips screw. So their instructions say to take the whole front, like part of the bike fairing off. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to unscrew this piece right here and get to this connector. On the brake side of the bike, there's going to be this little connector right here that we're going to need to disconnect. If you look really closely right there, there's a screw that I'm going to remove because I'm having a difficult time plugging everything in to that particular piece that's affixed to the bike there. This is the wiring harness. On the left side of the bike, you see it's the red, black, and yellow wire piece here, along with the plug for the blinker. You're going to run this through the front of the bike. This is going to plug in on the right side of the plug. And then this piece here, although it's spliced in with the blinker piece, is going to go up to that back connector that we removed, and then we'll plug in the blinker piece over here with it. This is where I ended up running my wire. You can see it's right here, and I just zip tied it. This is the clutch side, and then over there on the brake side as well. And then I just zip tied everything up underneath here. On the brake side of the bike, I have the small connector from the wiring harness to the long connector piece that was screwed in. I have the long connector piece right here from the wiring harness, plugs into the small connector piece right here, and then of course the green wire plugs into where the blinker hooks up. On the clutch side of the bike, the long connector piece here on the wiring harness is going to plug into the small piece here, and this blinker connector is going to plug into the blinker connection there. To reinstall these panel covers here, what you want to do is you want to install the bottom piece first, and then we'll just snap the top piece in here. So take it and get the bottom piece first. There you go. All right, let's test everything out before we button up the wires. You can see that the daytime running lights are working. Left blinker is working. Right blinker is working. Hazards are working.